With this Mechagodzilla, we will be the most powerful species on Earth.
How exactly did you pull this off?
We used a skull from Ghidorah to bring it to life.
Which skull?
Why do you ask?
Well, one of the heads is a little dumber.
I'm sure it's fine.
Hey, robot now! Beep, bop, boop, 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 bop, bop, beep, bop. Hey, where'd my other hands go?
There's another one. We've been around so long. We thought we were the last ones. Welcome to our throne room, Kong.
This is where we sit and think about how much we hate Godzilla.
Okay.
Oh, he did not just blow a hole in our throne room.
It's time, boys. We must protect this house.
Wow! That was amazing, big guy! I gotta tell you, you Kongs are so brave!
And we're here too for some reason.